This is Courtney creating a choice board in First Then Visual Schedule application. So I'm going to show you how to create a choice board within the First Then Visual Schedule application. The first thing we're going to want to do is turn editing mode on. As you see on the bottom right hand corner of the screen, there is a gray wheel. Go ahead and tap that and select Edit Mode On. After you turn it on, you're going to see the edit icon at the bottom left of the screen. Go ahead and tap Done. All right, so we're going to add or create a choice board for an existing schedule, a schedule that's already been created. So we're going to go ahead and go into School Schedule at the top. Select the schedule that you would like to add a choice board to. Okay, so the steps within the schedule are read a book, listen to music, play a game, and recess. We are going to add a choice board to read a book. So we're going to give the student or child some book options. So let's go ahead and tap read a book. Go ahead and tap that. So you now have the option at the bottom of the screen to add a choice board. So you'll see that green box at the bottom. Select or tap on choice board. To add a choice board, select on the right hand corner of the screen, the top right corner of the screen, the plus icon. And let's title the choice board Book Choices. Okay. I'm going to select Return for the keyboard to go down or disappear. And I'm going to give this book choice board an icon. So I'm going to select the square box on the left-hand side. And I'm going to choose a stock image. And I'm going to type in book, see what options I have. So I'm going to select the book there. Okay, so now we have an image for our book choices. And so we're going to add different books. So we're going to, let's press the plus icon and give this item a description. So our first book is going to be Brown Bear, Brown Bear. Okay, Brown Bear, Brown Bear. Okay, so now after you have your description, you can add a photo by tapping on the question mark. And let's go ahead and import an image from Google. It's going to search for images related to Brown Bear, Brown Bear. So once you find an image that you like, tap on the image and it brings up a larger screen. Select full-size image, that's at the top right. Oops, I'm going to do that one more time. Full-size image. And at the bottom, go ahead and select Use Image. So that imported the image to this item. You can also add sound. I'm going to record a sound by tapping the record button. Brown bear, brown bear. You can listen to your sound. Brown bear, brown bear. And tap Save. And save one more time to add your item to your book choices. Okay, so we have Brown Bear, Brown Bear as one of our book choices. Let's go ahead and add one more book choice. So again, I'm going to tap on the plus icon. And this time I'm going to use the Grouchy Ladybug. So I'm going to give this description. Okay, so I typed in the Grouchy Ladybug as the description, and I'm going to search for a photo. And again, I will import an image from Google. And there is a picture of the cover of the Grouchy Ladybug book. I'm going to tap on the image, full-size image, the top right, and tap on Use Image. So it imported our picture taken from the internet. I'm going to quickly add sound. I'm going to record sound. The Grouchy Ladybug. You can listen to your sound. If you're happy with it, go ahead and tap save. If you'd like to record it again, you can tap record to record it one more time. Go ahead and tap save and save one more time. So we now have 2 book choices. Down at the bottom, don't forget to select save so it saves our book choices. It's down at the bottom right. So great, we now have a choice board that's labeled book choices. So we're going to go back into our schedule so we can add this choice board to our read a book step. So at the top left, you'll see the icon, the back icon. Tap on that. And for our item read a book, we're going to add that choice board by tapping on the bottom right choice board icon, selecting the choice board that you just created by tapping on it. I think you can tap on the book or the word book choices. And it imports that choice board to this item. You can see that the minus icon has now appeared next to the choice board. So that just shows you that a choice board has been added for this item. So you can now save the item. And don't forget at the bottom right, save your schedule. This will save all the changes that we made, including adding the choice board. Okay, so we're now at the main screen, the home screen, and let's take a look at the choice board that we just created within the school schedule. We're in edit mode, so we're going to need to switch over to user mode. You're going to go tap on the gray wheel on the right bottom corner to turn editing mode off. Edit mode icon disappeared. Go ahead and tap done. And let's go into the school schedule to take a look at our choice board. So tap school schedule. At the bottom you'll see the different formats for your schedule. I'm going to select the list mode. So you can see the list of the events within the school schedule, which are read a book, listen to music, play a game, and recess. And so for the first event, the student has the option to, or the first step is to read a book. So if you tap on read a book, go ahead and tap on read a book. You'll see that the screen flips around and the child is presented with different book choices. So Brown Bear, The Grouchy Ladybug. You can go ahead and select the book that you want to read, and it imports that picture of Brown Bear into the icon box. So again, you now have the first step as Brown Bear, Brown Bear. Then listen to music. So that is how you create a choice board for your schedule.